Hey everybody, Sister Mills here. I am just here to show you how to access your grades and feedback in case you aren't sure how. And even if you are sure how, I want you to take a look at this video just so that you know how to see all of your feedback. So I have navigated here to the grades tab, and this is just for a test student, so some of this might look a little bit different to you. Um, but basically, I've come here to the grades tab, and there's two assignments here that I've turned in. I can see there's a score out of the total score here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the feedback that's here for me, okay? So you can see there's an icon here that looks like a little chat bubble. You can go ahead and click on that and see what I've written to you. And you can see that this Sister Mills wrote to this test student, please view the online document for more feedback. Okay, we'll talk about what the online document is here in just a minute. But I also wanted to show you that you can also view the clipboard over here, the little clipboard icon. If you click that, then it'll actually bring up the rubric, the grading rubric that I used, and you'll see which ratings you got for which criteria, and that'll help you understand how you got that total score. But I do for sure want to show you where to access this online document. So in order to access the online document, you have to actually click into the assignment. So we're here in the assignment. And what I want you to do is click this view feedback button, okay? It's really small, but this is where you're going to be able to see the feedback on that online document. So if I scroll down here, let's see if I can make this a little bigger for us. Okay, so if you see here, there is an online document. This is what I turned in, what the student turned in. And then there's comments over here from me or from Sister Mills, okay? This is where I'm going to go in and I'm not going to actually highlight things that are, you're doing really well with or things that you need to work on. There's also some other tools that I might use where I might edit or add text within the document. So this is really where you're going to go to see the details of your coursework. Now, I won't do this for every assignment. It'll mostly be for the final assignments, okay? So for the rubric and the cover letter, those are big assignments are the ones that I'm going to be diving deep in and giving you plenty of feedback here in the online document. Um, so just going back to the grades really fast. Um, I just wanted to show you there you'll be able to go through here, and like I said, this looks a little bit different for you guys, but not all of your assignments are going to have that online document. Okay, so for this one is just a note from Sister Mills saying good job, and then there's also a rubric I can click on here and see how I scored. And then this little check mark box, it says score details, but you probably won't ever get anything in that. But I wanted to show you this assignment. I'm going to go ahead and click into it to see if I have any feedback in this online document, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, so this is actually an edited document, so that's not how your document will actually look. There's no comments from Sister Mills over here on the far right hand side. So this document actually doesn't have that feedback. So that's how you can tell if you have feedback in there or not. So I hope this helps you be able to find all your feedback. Please be viewing your feedback regularly, especially for these big assignments that we have coming up. Be sure to be viewing that and getting that feedback so you can edit and revise and improve. And if you have questions about this, please be sure and let me know.